Marine restoration is a complex yet critical endeavor, facing substantial challenges, high costs, technical difficulties, and limited knowledge about underwater ecosystems. While progress on restoration methods have been made for some habitats, like stone reefs and eelgrass beds, restoration methods for specific habitats remain underdeveloped. Adding to this, the pressures of pollution, eutrophication, and climate change exacerbate ecosystem degradation, while human activities like coastal development continue to reduce critical habitats. Without holistic land-sea approaches, these barriers make large-scale marine recovery an uphill battle. Overcoming these challenges requires bold and coordinated action. Funding, research, and political commitment are vital, as are efforts to raise ocean knowledge and public awareness. Collaboration among Nordic and Baltic countries can help share knowledge, test innovative methods, and tackle common issues like eutrophication and climate impacts. Crucially, addressing the root causes of degradation and preventing further destruction are essential to ensure restoration efforts are not in vain. If we succeed, the rewards are immense. Restored habitats could rebuild biodiversity, revitalize depleted stocks, and create resilient ecosystems capable of adapting to future challenges. This would bring tangible benefits: healthier seas, improved climate resilience, better public health, and strengthened economies. By allowing marine environments to heal and thrive, we secure a sustainable and vibrant future for both nature and society.